Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ford Expedition MAX Platinum. It does have 3.5 liter V6, rear wheel drive, and also 4x4. You can see that is a super clean engine. Go ahead and drop this down, take you for a tour. It is a metallic blue. It has the LEDs in the headlights. They're not really flickering, they just look that way because of the refresh rate of the camera. So the human eye, it's not noticeable at all. It does have the power running boards that pop out when you open the door. Go ahead and show you the interior. That is, let's see, that is actually a cover for the tow package. Here are your controls for your back seats. To put those up or down. So, number 2 in the middle, number 2 on the right. Okay. So at any rate, we'll go ahead and put this down. It does have a luggage rack up there on top. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It does have a platinum package, so this is all going to be leather in here. Here are the seats that we put down earlier. And there are your controls. Control the radio and your climate back here as well. This does have a touchpad entry, which I'm a triathlete, so that's big to me. I drive an F-150 and use it at least once a week. See how massive that sunroof is? Goes back just past that second row. There's your platinum branding. Over here we've got the VIN. Here are your driver presets, your mirrors and windows, your power seat controls. Here are your lights. Turn those to automatic. Okay. You can see that you have 20,932 miles. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down a little bit so you can hear me. It does have vented and heated seats, which is super nice. Okay. So, coming back over here, you have your cruise control and your push to talk. You can also control your stereo from here as well. Okay, this is mapping your power distribution, off-road status, your towing statuses for your trailer light check and setup, gauge view, tire pressure, speedometer, all that kind of fun stuff. So, at any rate, we'll go ahead and check out your blind spot monitoring, cross traffic alert, driver alert, pre-collision, trailer blind spot, which is a very cool feature from Ford, and cruise control. Okay, if you look down here, you've got your stereo, your climate, audio, which here's your sources of AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Coming back over here, phone connection, your navigation. Okay, because we're on a long road, basically out in the middle of an industrial park, doesn't look like much. Okay, here are your apps for your Sirius Link and such. Here are your settings, your sound settings. Navigation settings, vehicle display, door keypad, camera settings and such. Speaking of, we can go ahead and put it in reverse. So you can see the backup camera. This actually shows kind of a top-down look. This is your shifter right here. This shifts between 2 and 4-wheel drive modes. This is your cup holder right here, and this has power supplies in it and a spot to charge your phone, obviously your key fob. There you go. Back over here you have more stowage coming up top. You've got your sunroof. There you go. Absolutely beautiful day out. Let's get that closed up. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It actually had an impact right here because it was rear-ended. As you see, it was only cosmetic damage. We were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We do have a number of SUVs here on the lot. So for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.